jobsBots is the AI-driven virtual assistant for tradespeople and contractors. Once you forward your new business inquiries to jobsBots, you can relax in the knowledge that you only need to follow up on the good quality ones, not the time wasters. The first screen you see when you log in from any PC on any browser is the home screen. If you just want to see your inquiries, just click here once on the inquiry log link. Here you will see a single page with all of the calls we took for you. You will notice that on the top right, we can keep them organized by active and completed status. An active inquiry is one you have not dealt with yet. No actions have been taken. Completed ones change status once you have dealt with them, but you can still see them here until you delete them. From the active list, click here to see a quick summary, and you can see who called, what they want, and when they want it. Or click on the blue writing to open it fully. Here you can see that Charlie Watts called, and by clicking on Communication Log, you can see everything he types and chatted about with jobsBots. More about other functions soon. But for now, you have the first inquiry, dealt with, booked in, and ready to buy. jobsBots. It's like having your evil twin answer your phone for you. jobsBots learns all about your products, services, and prices and books jobs for you whilst you work or play.